Hi everyone, welcome to A Plus Calculus, and we are doing the series of DESMOS is God. And in this part of the series we are going to look over how to find out equation of a function from tabular data. So DESMOS is God. I'm not kidding, DESMOS is actually God. You will agree with me once you finish this video. Okay, see, I have taken three different types of question. The first question in which you have to find out the equation of a linear function. Then in the second question you have to find out the equation of a quadratic function. And in the third one we have to find out the equation of an exponential function. And we will do all of these three questions using DESMOS. So first question is, for the linear function f, the table shows three values of x and their corresponding values of f of x. Which equation define f of x? So we all know that the equation of a linear function is given by f of x is equal to mx plus b, or y is equal to mx plus b, where you know that m is the slope, b is the y-intercept, and that's what you have to find out. What's the value of m? What's the value of b? Okay, so let's go to DESMOS, and what you need to do is you need to actually type this exact table on DESMOS. There is an option to get a table on DESMOS. So on DESMOS you see this plus icon. Click on that plus icon and then select table, and you'll get a table with x1 and y1. Now just enter the points. So 0, 1, 2, you have 0, 1, 2, and y values are 29, 32, 35. 29, 32, 35. So now you should see some points. Yeah, see, these are the 3 points, and yes, they do look like they will lie on a straight line. And now to find out the equation of the line, here you can simply write y is equal to mx plus b, but it will not give you the equation yet. What you need to do is you need to change y by y1 and x by x1. So instead of y we are going to write y1, and instead of x we are going to write x1. Okay, because the values we know are x1, y1, and wait, what's, so this was 29, and this one, this equal to sign, you change it to the squiggly line. So instead of the equality symbol we will type this squiggly line, the one which is left side of the key 1, like the exclamation mark on your keyboard. There is a squiggly line on the left side of that button. Okay, so you can see now they have given the parameters m is 3 and b is 29. Can you see this? See, m is 3 and b is 29. And now instead of typing the equation y is equal to mx plus b, we will type y1, then squiggly line, then mx1 plus b. Okay, and so value of m is 3, value of b is 29, so your equation becomes y is equal to 3x plus 29, which is option A. So option A is correct. Okay, let's go to the quadratic function question. Here we have a quadratic function, and which equation defines f? So again they have given us 3 ordered pairs. These are the x values, these are the y values. Now for quadratic function you know that it's given by y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So we will do the same thing. We will enter this table on DESMOS, and then instead of typing this equation, we are going to type y1 is not equal to, but y1 is, yeah, so y1, and then put a squiggly line instead of the equality symbol, then ax1 square plus bx1 plus c. Okay, and then DESMOS will give you the values of a, b, and c. Okay, let's do that. So we had the table -1, 0, and 1. -1, 0, and 1 are the x values. -1, 0, and 1 are the x values. 10, 14, and 20. 10, 14, and 20. So you can see the 3 points, and this time a quadratic function, a parabola, will fit these 3 points. And now let's type y1. Okay, and how do you get this subscript? You don't have to do anything, just press y and press 1. It will automatically bring 1 in the subscript. Now the squiggly line, then ax1 square plus bx1 plus c, and you have the values of a, b, and c. A, b, c. This is actually called regression. When we have some data and we try to plot a function, try to fit a function to those points, we are actually doing regression, and these are regression coefficients. Just make sure that the regression coefficient is 1. And so you have your equation now. Y is equal to x square plus 5x plus 14, because a was 1, so coefficient of x square is 1, and which looks like option B. It is option B. Okay. Let's move to the third question. Now in third question we have an exponential function, and even if you don't know it's an exponential function, you just have to plot these points. See, they have given you these 2 points, 0, 10 and -2, 325 over 36, and you have the equation y is equal to a raised to x plus b. So we will type this equation like this: y1 squiggly line a raised to x1 plus b. Okay, so let's do this. Put a table, put the points 0, 10, -2, then 325 over 36. So these are your points, right? You can see these are the 2 points. And now let's type the equation. So y1 squiggly line a raised to x1 plus b. So now you can see the graph, it's passing through these 2 points, this point, and the values of a and b are 6 and 9. So your function becomes y is equal to 6 raised to x plus 9, which is option. Okay, you have to find out the value of AB. That means you have to find out the product of AB. So A is 6, B is 9, so A times B will be 6 times 9, which is 54. So option C is correct.